tie is straight to English.
Your right choice.
Let's begin.
Hello, welcome to Straight to English channel. I am Nicole.
And I am Steve. Hi, everyone.
Hi, Steve.
Today we are talking about office objects.
That's right.
And if you want to speak better English, please subscribe to our channel
You know what to do.
and click the bell. It really helps.
It does. So, Steve, you look very professional today. Is that a new shirt?
It is. I'm glad you noticed. I have a new job.
Oh, congratulations. That's wonderful news.
Yeah, it's at a big company in the city. I have my own desk, a computer, a chair, everything.
That sounds fantastic, but
Please.
you look a little worried. Is everything okay?
Well, I am a bit nervous. There are so many things in the office, and I don't know the English names for them.
I see.
Like yesterday, I needed to put two papers together,
Yeah.
but I didn't know the word for, the metal machine.
You mean a stapler.
A stapler, yes.
Okay.
See, I feel a little lost.
Don't worry at all. That is a very common problem. Today, we're going to learn the names of some really important office items.
Okay, good.
By the end of this, you and everyone listening will feel much more confident at work.
Phew. I hope so.
Okay, let's imagine you're at your new office and you're asking me, your colleague, for some help.
Okay, here I go. Excuse me, I need to print this document. Can you help me?
Sure. The printer is in the corner next to the window.
Oh, okay. Do we have any paper?
Yes, the paper is in the drawer under the printer.
Great, thanks. One more thing. Do you have a stapler?
I do. Here, you can borrow it.
Thank you. Oh, my pen is empty.
No problem. Here is a blue one.
You're a lifesaver. Thanks.
Now, let's listen to that dialogue again. Very slowly. Our first word is printer.
That is spelled Printer.
A printer is a machine that puts text or pictures from a computer file onto paper.
Okay, so is a printer the same thing as a copier? I get them confused.
That's a great question. So a copier just copies a piece of paper that already exists. A printer makes a new paper from a computer file.
I see.
But most big office machines today do both things. They are printers and copiers. Word number 2 is drawer.
Drawer. This word looks strange. Drawer.
Yes, the pronunciation's a little tricky. It sounds more like one sound. Drawer.
Drawer. Okay.
A drawer is a box inside a desk or a cabinet. You pull it out and push it in to store things.
So it's for storage. Can I sleep in a drawer?
What? No. A drawer is for things like pens and staplers, not for people.
Just kidding. Okay, so for pens and paper.
Our third word is stapler.
Stapler. The metal machine.
Exactly. A stapler is a small tool you use to join pieces of paper together with a small piece of metal.
Okay, so the small piece of metal, is that called a staple?
Yes, you got it. The machine is the stapler, and the little piece of metal is a staple.
Ah, my stapler sometimes gets stuck.
Right. The word for that is jammed. You can say my stapler is jammed.
Jammed, good word.
Okay, word number 4, document.
Document.
A document is a piece of paper with important writing on it, or it can be a computer file like a Word document.
So is a love letter a document?
Well, technically, yes, it's paper with writing, but we usually use the word document for more official things.
Like business or school?
Exactly, like tax forms or a business report. A love letter is usually just called a letter. And our last word for today, borrow.
That's Borrow.
To borrow something means to use something that belongs to someone else, and you plan to return it later.
So, if I borrow a pen from you and keep it forever, is that still borrowing?
No, that is stealing.
Oh.
Borrowing means you have to give it back.
Right. I think I still have your blue pen in my pocket. I promise I'll return it.
I'll be waiting. Okay, let's try another situation. You're at your desk and you have a problem with your computer.
Got it. Okay. Excuse me. I need some help. My computer screen is black.
Oh, okay. Is the computer on? Do you see a light on the box?
Yes, the light on the box is on, but the screen is dark. I can't see my document.
Can you check the cable behind the screen? Maybe it isn't plugged in correctly.
The cable. Let me see. Oh, you're right. It was loose.
Try pushing it in.
Okay, I push it. Hey, the screen is on. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Glad I could help.
Now, a quiz. Listen to this sentence.
You usually keep your pens and pencils inside a drawer.
Is this true or false? The answer is true. A drawer helps keep your desk clean and organized.
Very true.
Now, for you listening, tell us in the comments, what is on your desk right now? A computer? A coffee cup?
Maybe even a cat?
Yeah. Write your answer in the comments in English.
Okay, now it's time to practice speaking. Please repeat after me. Where is the printer?
Where's the printer?
I need a pen and paper.
I need a pen and paper.
The stapler is in the drawer.
The stapler's in the drawer.
Great job, everyone. Learning the names of these office objects is very, very useful.
I feel so much better about my new job now.
Good.
I know how to ask for a stapler and find the printer. We learned words like printer, drawer, and stapler.
You did great.
Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Helps us a lot.
Good luck with your work and your English. See you next time.
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.